Bicep curls are a basic strength-building exercise for all fitness levels that mimics the motions we perform in everyday life. The Hoist Fitness Motion Cage's dual high-low pulley station lets you devise dozens of bicep exercises using tandem, alternating, and reciprocating movements. The dual high-low pulley also accommodates a curling bar for dual arm curling. To begin a curling movement, adjust the pulleys to a height appropriate for the client to grasp the bar with their arms fully extended, and pin the stack at enough weight to provide a challenge. Take the bar in an underhand grip for bicep curls or an overhand grip for reverse curls. The client's feet should be approximately shoulder width apart, and there should be a slight bend in the knees. Elbows should be close into the body during the entire movement. Exhale and bring the bar up to the chest, squeezing the bicep at the top of the movement. Inhale and slowly return the bar to the starting position for another rep.